Hello and welcome to my presentation on wind power generation. I want to introduce myself. My name is Amirul Hakim bin Shahril Izam. My metric number is B1423103111. For introduction, wind power is a technology that harnesses the kinetic energy of wind and converts it into electrical energy through the use of wind turbines. It is a clean, renewable, and sustainable source of energy with minimal environmental impact during operation. Wind energy play a crucial role in the fight against climate change by significantly reducing carbon emissions. Today, it is one of the fastest growing source of energy in the world, adopted by many countries as part of their shift toward green and sustainable power. Let's take a look at the basic construction of a wind turbine. The main components include blades, usually three, which are aerodynamically designed to capture wind energy efficiently. The rotor hub, which connects the blade and rotates when the wind blows. The nacelle, a housing unit at the top of the tower that contains key components like the gearbox and generator. The gearbox, which increases the low speed rotation of the rotor to a higher speed suitable for electricity generation. The generator, which converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. The tower, which raises the turbine to a height where wind speeds are higher and more consistent, and the foundation, which securely anchor the structure to the ground or seabed, especially for the offshore turbine. Now, how does a wind turbine actually work? The process begins when wind blows and turns into the turbine's blades. This rotation spins the rotor, which is connected to a shaft inside the nacelle. The shaft then spins the generator, converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. This electricity is then sent to a transformer to adjust the voltage for transmission. Finally, the electricity is delivered to the power grid where it can be used to power homes, business, and industries. The entire process involves not burning of fuel, making wind power an environmentally friendly option. There are two main types of wind turbines, onshore and offshore. Onshore wind turbines are installed on land. They are relatively easy and inexpensive to install and maintain. These are commonly found in open field or along mountain ridge. Offshore wind turbines are built in body of water, typically in ocean. They benefit from stronger and more consistent wind speeds, which lead to higher energy output. However, offshore installations are more costly due to technical and logistical challenges. A great real-world example of wind power is the Hornsea project in the United Kingdom. It is the largest offshore wind farm in the world, located in the North Sea off the coast of England. Hornsea generates more than 1.2 gigawatts of electricity, enough to power over 1 million homes. The project is still expanding with Hornsea 2 and Hornsea 3, aiming to increase capacity and contribute even more to the UK's energy supplies. A wind power comes with many advantages. It is zero emission during operation, helping reduce greenhouse gases. They are renewable and abundant, relying on a natural resources that doesn't deplete. And wind energy reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and enhance energy security. Despite its benefit, wind power also presents several challenges. First, wind farms require large land or sea area, which may lead to conflict over space use. Additional, turbines can pose risks to wildlife, particularly birds and bats. And lastly, the initial investment in wind energy infrastructure is high, although long-term costs are lower. Wind power is having a significant global impact. The top wind energy producers include China, the United States, Germany, India, and the United Kingdom. Countries are incorporating wind energy as part of effort to reach net zero emission by mid-century. Wind energy also support the growth of the green jobs and contribute to local energy independence. This global adoption demonstrates wind power's central role in our sustainable future. In conclusion, wind power is essential to the global transition to clean energy. It provides a renewable, non-polluting, and increasingly affordable source of electricity. Ongoing technological improvement continue to increase efficiency and lower costs. When combined with the other sources like solar and hydro, wind helps form a balanced and sustainable energy mix for the future generation. Here are the sources we use for this presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.